Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make an origami snowflake. This is a slightly more advanced model, but the result is amazing. The coolest thing is that the entire process is done using only origami techniques and there's no need to use glue. The only thing is, before we start folding, we'll need to create an hexagon out of paper. And for that, we'll start with a square. The first step is to fold the paper diagonally in half. Then fold it in half again. And unfold it. With the paper in this position, flip it over and divide it into 3 roughly equal parts. To do this, first take the right side and fold it over the middle section. Then bring the left side over the right. Carefully align everything so the 3 sections are the same, or roughly the same. It doesn't have to be perfect, just try to get it as even as you can. Something like this should work just fine. Reinforce these folds a bit. And turn it over. Now fold the top corner down, just to create a guideline. Then unfold it. Cut through all these layers using the line we made as a guide. And discard the extra paper. Unfold the remaining part. Now we have a hexagon. Next, we'll fold each of the 6 sides to the center, creating a smaller hexagon in the middle. Start by folding the bottom side, align it carefully with the center, and unfold it. Repeat on next side on the right, following the same process. And repeat the same with the other 4 sides. With all the creases made, fold the bottom side again. Open the right side along this crease here. And close the paper over it. Do the same on the next side. Simply open the paper and fold the next side over it. Repeat this for the 4th side. And for the 5th as well. For the last side, the process is a bit different. First we need to open the paper, unfolding this part. Then fold it over. And bring the last corner to the same direction as the others. Reinforce all the creases carefully, and that's the result. For the next step, rotate the paper into this position. Now, starting with the top triangular layer, fold the paper by bringing the top diagonal edge to the vertical line in the center. Unfold it. Separate this flap. Then open it up. And flatten the paper like this. Now, still on the same layer, fold the two bottom edges to the middle. Unfold them. Open the paper by lifting the first layer. And, using the creases we just made, fold the two sides to the middle. This creates a new flap. Once that's done, bring the left layer over this part and repeat the same process for the other 5 sections. With this done, flip the paper over and fold each of the corners to the middle. Start with the bottom corner, folding it as precisely as possible, and unfold it. Now fold the next corner, and repeat the same process for the other 4. Now that this step is done, fold the bottom corner again, then open the paper along this crease, and fold the right side over using the existing creases. Do the same with the next corner, just open the paper and fold the side over. Repeat this. Repeat once more. For the last one, open both sides and fold the corner over. Bring the remaining section in the same direction as the others and reinforce everything well. Here is the result. Next, separate one of the layers, then open it and flatten the paper. Creating something like this. Repeat the same with the other 5 layers. Then flip the paper over and fold the inner corners outward. Flip it over again. And now pay close attention. We'll need to unfold one of the sections, then bring the smaller layer underneath, do the same on the right side, then rotate and repeat on the next one. And repeat the same process on the other 4. Now we have something like 6 diamonds. For the final detail, starting with the top diamond, fold the bottom right edge to the middle. Next, fold the extra paper on the right, overlapping this part over the previous fold. Do the same on the left side. And this is the result for the first diamond. Repeat the same process for the other 5. And there you have it! Your origami snowflake is ready! If you were able to make it, congratulations! Thank you so much for watching! See you in the next video!